Hello, let's learn more about the short vowels. In English, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. The first vowel, A, has 7 families. The first family of short E, when A came with T, at. When the word consists of 3 letters and 2 letters are A and T, at, sat, hat, rat, cat, pat, hat, mat. This is a family of AT. The second family of short A, an, fan, man, van, pan, can. The third family of short A, when short A came with letter P, cap, tap, nap, map. The fourth family of short A, when short A came with letter M, am, jam, yam, dam, cam, bam. The fifth family of short E, when letter A came with letter G, bag, tag, wag. The sixth family of short A, when letter A came with a letter P, app, lab, tab, nap. The seventh family of short E, when short E came with letter D, add, dad, had, bad, sad, mad. In these sentences, we learn more about the words of short A. The cat sat on it. A man had a map. It ran to the bed. Dad is at the van. A rag is on a mat. And this is a short story about words of short E. The fat cat sat on the mat. Then came a rat with a hat who sat on the mat. The fat cat and the rat with the hat sat on the mat.